Today's video is about police instant karma and convenient cop. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. Porsche does illegal U-turn and gets pulled over by karma cop. Instant justice. Thank you, Leon County Sheriff. Guy pulls out in front of me at like 9 p.m. with no lights on across 2 lanes and gets a driving award.
Oh! Aha! Instant justice!
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video.
Bueno, no va a parar a mí.
Drunk driver swerving on highway gets pulled over. They got pulled over in Albertville. All the swerving on the highway was on 94 West going through Rogers.
have the advantage. Her eyes flare like she's come to the same conclusion as we circle each other, and then they narrow in a way that makes my stomach clench. Devera may have set the rules, but something tells me Kat is about to break them. Does it bother you? She asks, lowering her voice as she raises her hands.
Pay mine to the truck with the Raiders decal and the frontage road on the right. Yes, I laughed so hard that I turned a little to get them in the frame. Convenient cop catches line cutter attempting to cross double lines. Driver fails to stop for a divided highway and cuts off the cop.
Oh.
Mount Rose Highway. Passing is not legal here. Washoe County Sheriff's Office deputy was ran off the road into light snow. He made a U-turn and then initiated a traffic stop on the white pickup. Pickup driver tries to change lanes into me. It doesn't go well for him.
Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck?
Reverted back to Naughty Dog, you know, and he saw Chernobyl, and it all just kind of came together. And we meet up for lunch next to Naughty Dog, and we just chat and compliment each other. I get to gush about his work, and then, you know, I'm really curious about the process of how he was able to make this TV show at HBO. I'm a huge HBO fan, like The Wire, The Leftovers, The 6 Feet Under, some of my favorite shows of all time. So I asked him just like offhandedly, let's just assume we wanted to make this as a TV show, at HBO. What would that look like? And he said, oh, very easy.
Can't believe this guy cut me off, and here is instant karma. So he saved me. How often do you see instant karma on the road? Write in the comments and then send us your video.